Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. So for the last few episodes, you're learning different topics from the primary level to middle school level. So today also we are going to take up a new topic and definitely you'll enjoy it. So in this episode, we are going to discuss about this topic in word problem method. In the last episodes, we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions, and that is a simple numbers or basic numbers I given. And today we are going to do what word problems in measurement of capacity. Okay, so here on the screen I gave a question on word problem. What is that? We'll read. A can contains 6 liter 455 milliliters of milk. If 150 milliliters of water, or you can take 3 liters, 3 liter 150 milliliters of water is added to it, then what quantity of mixture will be there in the can? This is the question. So you have to understand what is given. There is a can in which there is some milk, and in that milk we added some water in it. So now definitely the quantity of the liquid will increases because of adding it. That means this is an addition sum. So milk in the can, 6 liters 455 milliliters, right? Added water to it. Added water. How much? 3 liter 150 ml. Then what quantity of mixture will be there in the can? So total quantity. That means we are going to add. So on adding this one, 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. That's 1 and 0. 4, 5, 6. So this is ml and this is 6 plus 3, 9. So the total quantity in the can is nothing but 9 liters and 605 milliliters. So here reading the question is one part, understanding the question is second part, then analyzing it third part, then doing is the fourth part. Just don't start with the numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have to understand it. This is a simple basic problem I gave. The can contains this much of milk and definitely people will add water in it. So how much quantity? 3 liter 150 ml of water is added to it. Then what is the total quantity of will be there in the can, or what will be the mixture? Why is this called mixture? Because we have mixed the milk and water in it. So because of that we are adding on addition, we are getting 9 liter 605 ml, isn't it? So here I give one more example. Just read the question and understand it. Rini bought 3 liter 500 ml of groundnut oil, okay, from the shop or from the store, and 4 liter 750 ml of sunflower oil. So how many liters of oil did she buy in all? So here who is the person? Rini. What she bought? She bought some oil. How many types of oils were there? 2 types of oil. One is groundnut oil, one is sunflower oil. So the question is, what is the total quantity of the oil she bought to her house? Okay, now we'll check the quantity. You can write quantity of groundnut oil is what? 3 liter and 500 ml, right? This is the first part. Second part, quantity of sunflower oil. What is the quantity? 4 liter 750 ml. 4 liter 750 ml. Sorry. Now, what is the total? How many liters of oil did she buy in all? In all means total quantity. Total quantity of oils is, we have to add it. So this is ml, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, and this is 10 liters. This is the answer. Do you think? No. Here we have to change. So this 10 liter plus 1250 ml. Again 10 liter plus 1 liter plus 250 ml. Why I am writing 1 liter? Because this is already 1000 is given. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So on total it is 11 liter 250 ml. So total quantity what she bought? Really 11 liters 250 milliliters she bought it in all about this question. So reading, understanding, analyzing and doing. There are the 4 things. If you come in an order, definitely without mistake you will get these answers. Okay, we'll go with one more example. So now here a question given. Now we have to check whether it is addition, sum, subtraction or multiplication. Now see, the capacity of a vessel is not 9, it is a vessel. The capacity of a vessel is 12 liters is given. So what is the total quantity of that vessel is 12 liters. And there is 4 liter 350 liters of, you can call milliliters. 4 liter 350 ml of oil is there in that. So how much more quantity can be poured in it? So how, suppose if there is a can, okay, so already some oil is there. So still, how many liters of oil we can pour in it? So what is the total quantity is given? Total quantity is given is total quantity of the can is what? 12 liters. That means 12 liters 000 milliliter. This is the first part. Next, quantity already have. What is the quantity have? 4 liter 350 ml. 4 liter and 350 ml is there. So still can fill or still can pour. How much? Now we have to subtract. Why? Because from the total can already little bit amount of quantity of oil is there, and how much we have to pour that on subtraction only we get it. So first ml, now 0 minus 0 is 0. This is not possible. We'll borrow, becomes 10 and 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6 liters. Now this become 1, that is 11 minus 4 is 7. So finally still we have to pour, we can pour 7 liter 650. If you want to check, you can check 7 liter 650 ml plus 4 liter 350 ml. Now on adding these two, so we are getting 12 liters and 000 milliliter. So this is about subtraction of the problem. With this, I am going to give one more example. So here one more example as I told. So the capacity of a petrol tank in a car is 35 liters 500 ml. So the total capacity of the petrol tank in a car is this much. But it contains already 16 liter 875 ml of petrol in it. Already some quantity of petrol is there. So how much, the question how much more petrol we can pour in it, just like the previous problem. So total capacity of the tank is 35 liters and 500 milliliters. Next, minus petrol in the tank. Petrol in the tank. Already, what is it? It is 16,875. 16 liters, 875 milliliters. This is one way I told. Or I already told, you can write this liters and milliliters on the top. Liters, milliliters. Put a dash over in between. So still we can have how much petrol? So 0 minus 5 is not possible. We have to borrow. This is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Here 4 left. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible. Again we'll borrow. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Okay. So now here 4 left. Again 4 minus 6 is not possible. We'll borrow, that will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here you left with 2 because already you have borrowed. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So that means still the tank can fill 18 liters 625 ml of petrol in it, so that the tank may be full. Okay. In the previous problem also that can and capacity of that measurements we have done, and here also I took an example of a car and petrol tank. Okay. So suppose if you want to check whether it's right or wrong, as I told, you have to add these two, so that you must get 35 liters 500 ml of petrol. Okay. So in this way, we hope you are doing well and you can understand and you are able to do by your own also. You can create some problems and you can do by your own. So I hope you understood these topics and you are watching each and every bit, each and every example, and hope you will do more and more examples to make yourself so comfortable and better than these exercises. And thank you for all for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.